So these are the LEDs, LED pot lights we bought from Elite Lighting Supply. And you pop them open. Comes with the LED light itself, plugs into here, and then what they call the ballast, I believe. So on the ballast, you'll plug them into the light, lock them in, and then when you pop it open, you realize it's actually really simple. You have 3 wires. You have the ground, white, which is the neutral, black wire, which is the live or power wire. Okay, so this contains the power coming in, and when you pop open this little punch out hole here, you can fish the existing wire through the hole, wire them up, hide it in, and close it off. So it comes with these connectors, which is very easy to use. Once you strip the wire itself, you can plug them right in. It'll catch and it'll stay. Okay, so it's real easy to use. So in the next video here, you'll see how it works and then what we do when we plug it through. So those are the pot lights we're gonna do. Walk through here. Everything is already pre-wired and pre-drilled. So prior to putting up the drywall, I measured exactly where all the wiring was hidden. So everything was already in place. Once the drywall and taping is done, I went through, marked where they were, used a laser leveler to draw a straight line across, so then we can start drilling the holes. Once the holes were finished and drilled, we found where the wires were, pulled them through, and now I'll get the wiring done for the pot lights. First things first, shut off the power supply, the panel, so you don't get shocked, and then we can start wiring. And I'll show you how to do it. All right, might be a little hard to see. My face might be cut out as well, but it's okay. So here you see there's 2 different wires because it's part of the circuit. So the power wire feeds into here, it's gonna feed into the light, power's gonna continue on to the next light. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna wire in, stuff the wires through the punch hole we just made. So wires are gonna come out. I'm gonna stick these wires through. There are 6 of them in total. Give it a little bend so we can hold it there. Then we can sort out the wires. There's 2 black wires, which is a live wire. There's 2 white wires, which are the neutral, and 2 ground. Okay, so let's deal with the live wires first. As you can see, all I'm doing is plugging them in and making sure they don't come out. So got both of them in there. Once we stuff them far enough, give them a tug. It's tight. On to the next. Let's get the live wire done now. The neutral wire done now. Plug that in. Plug the next one in. Boom. There you go. Last wires we gotta do would be the ground wire. There you go. They're all tight. They're all good to go. Now, tuck the wires in, close the lid, hide the box. Hide the wires. And now, and we're done. There is a little rubber gasket that's around here that we should probably take off because it's meant for, I guess, the place where there's moisture. So if you look at here, there's a little gasket here. We'll probably rip that off eventually. This is just in here temporarily to make sure everything works. When the painter comes back, I'll probably disconnect all of these lights, leave the ballast inside, but disconnect all the lights, and then get ready for them to spray it through. So for now, this is good. When the finished product, it's gonna be a little more flush because we're gonna remove that little rubber seal there. So it'll be a very flush look. And that's it. Simple. Plug and play as long as the wires are already in place and the holes are already drilled.